In this video, I will show you how to analyze completely randomized design in Minitab. We have seen that in Excel before. Now in Excel, we cannot really easily calculate the differences in mean. We will have to use the basic formula, but in Minitab, we can calculate that using Minitab. So let's copy that same data, the data we are comparing, the pure gas E10 and E85, and then we can simply go to, so this is the data we are comparing, pure gas E10 E85, and we found that they are different, but we exactly don't know which one is better or worse. So in Minitab, you copy the data and go stat, go ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, and then you see here in this drop-down menu, this says the data is in one column, but my data is in 3 separate columns. Then you select all of that, hit OK, and then comparison. We can do Tukey comparison, Fisher comparison. Tukey is a little bit conservative than Fisher, however either one is fine. So just hit OK, options, just leave this as it is, graphs. Let's have this residual analysis in one graph and just hit OK. So before we go to the ANOVA analysis, a quick look at the residual analysis. What it does is basically tells you whether the data is normally distributed or not. Now this data, as you can see, falls on a straight line, so this indicates a good quality data. The residual is symmetric both sides, so that's good. And then these are some additional plots. However, what we are interested to see, we know they're different, but we want to see which one is better. Now you can see here that pure gas gives about 28.897 miles per gallon, and then E10 gives 26.5 miles per gallon, E85 17.6 miles per gallon, and they're all statistically significantly different. As you can see, the way this table is produced, it says here means that do not share the same letter significantly different. So they are all statistically significantly different. Now this is a Fisher test, which is pure test, no conservatism or no relaxation is applied to the comparison. Tukey is a little bit conservative. Let's see what was the result in Tukey. Oh, as you can see here, Tukey does not say something easily significant. So this number 27 and 29, they say not really significantly different. However, it's not a big deal. You can run any pairwise comparison as you want, and if you can see this F value, this is the same value what we have found in the Excel result. I can bring that here. As you can see, F value 66, MS 975, exact same 67, 975. So Minitab and MS Excel, they're basically the same thing, but because Minitab is designed for a statistical analysis, it gives you a little bit more stuff than Excel. For example, here Minitab runs a regression analysis, which does not really apply in this data, because this is more like a qualitative pure gas E10 E85. They're not really numeric. So if you don't have a numeric levels, you cannot really run a regression model. We'll talk about that later more. In this clip, I wanted to show you how you can tell which one is the best, which one is the worst by running pairwise comparison.